So let's go over a different scenario right now. I have Toradol right here, and we have two different, our institution has two different suppliers for Toradol right now, as a lot of places do. And so these are both Ketorolac, 30 milligrams per ml. So one of these works, but let me go and scan this one and get a label printed out of it.
Not found.
So that's not found in the database. So what do we do if we can't find this drug in the database? You have the opportunity to print out whatever label you want with whatever color coding option. You can use these little pages. If you just want a white one, on the second page, second to last, this is basically a white label that I can print out for this drug. Now, if this drug was something that is more color-coded option, like paralytics being red and induction agents being yellow, I could do that. But now I have a nice big blank label that's super easy to write on, because now I can write on this before I apply it to a syringe. And I still have the date and time that it was drawn up, as well as my initials for safety. So if you run across a scenario where the drug isn't found and you would like it to be added to the system, we're going to have these stickers added to the Codonics machines. They're going to provide a QR code to email pharmacy IT to get the drug added to the database.